Hey, how's it going? It's Xavier, and I actually want to do just a quick walk around on this 2025 Mercedes GLS 450. This one is equipped with the AMG package. You can see it updates the grille and it updates the bumper as well to the AMG bumper. You got the functional wind diffusers, you got the lowered lid spoiler here that is designed to make it more efficient, air efficient, right? You do have with the GLS, part of the AMG is the wheel fin flares, our body color, instead of the black plastic cladding. And then this one does have the upgraded multi-spoke wheels. Behind it, you can see the vented disc brakes on it. This one is equipped with the running boards. Moving to the back of the car, I want to show you the dual exhaust on it, which, in this one has a very luxurious look. This one is equipped with the trailer hitch package. You can see that there. And then okay, so I want to show you going inside the car, just the upgraded finish to materials. Again, this is actually seen and appreciated better in person. This one is nicely equipped. It does have the soft closed doors, the acoustic comfort package, which makes the car quieter. I do like the darker wood with the black interior. You can see on the door panel here on the dash. Again, one of the better looking interiors in the business. If you have any questions on this one, I do have the vehicle details in the description. Thank you for watching.